Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lavia with the fro. Although I don't have a fro right now, I have a protective style, but welcome back. And in today's video I'm just going to show you how to moisturize your hair when it's in a protective style. And I'm carrying this style for 2 weeks because I'm on holiday and I don't really want to be worrying about my hair, doing my twist outs, going to bed, twisting the hair. Like I'm here to have a good time and I don't want to worry about my hair. That's my sexy grandma there. You can see her. Yeah, because you do a protective style doesn't mean that you shouldn't take care of your hair. You have to if you want to retain length, if you want long and strong and healthy hair. Okay, don't let anybody deceive you that if you do a protective style you're just going to leave your hair like that. You still have to moisturize it. And like I said, for braids, I think that a braid like this, the lifespan of it looking neat is 2 weeks. Even like after 1 week, 5 days, you're going to start seeing a lot of frizz. But I rather let my hair be healthy than neat and sleek. You get me? Please support me by subscribing to my channel. You know, like if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just pause this video and subscribe now. Like it, share it with a friend, and let's get into it. Okay? So the first thing I do is spritz my hair with water. This is lukewarm water. A bit damp but not drenched or wet. And my hair is like up to here, so I'm gonna get this place as well. So, and I'm patting it into my hair so that it gets in there. The LCO method, which is liquid, cream and oil. And then for conditioner, I'm using this Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner. Look at it guys, like it's basically done. I love this thing, it's so moisturizing. So I'm just gonna take, wow, I'm just gonna take it like so, not so much, just like that, and just like this, just coating it on my hair. I'm working it into here as well. Still have some here. Just massage it into your hair as much as possible so that your natural hair can absorb it, so it doesn't sit on your extensions. And I'll tell you guys something about protective style, especially braids and braids. It's going to get frizzy when you apply product to it, especially because our hair is nappy. So when you put like, you know, liquids, you see some of your hair sticking out. I rather make sure my hair is moisturized than for it to be looking fly and dry. So it helps if you like use a scarf to like tie it before you go to bed so that it's extra sleek. But I will tell you that your hair will get a bit frizzy. But the hair, I'm carrying it for 2 weeks, so I'm not trying to carry for a month. It's not going to be neat if I carry for a month. So I'm using my grapeseed oil, and I like this oil because it's light. I don't want anything heavy that my hair won't be able to breathe. Like I don't want to clog my scalp, so I'm just using grapeseed oil. Or if you don't have grapeseed oil, you can use almond oil. I wouldn't suggest you use shea butter because you just don't want your hair to have like product buildup or attract dust and stuff like that. So I'm just using grapeseed oil. I'm gonna get on my scalp as well because it's light. Massaging it in like so. My hair has to be moisturized. Like I cannot let my hair be dry. Nuh-uh. No. That's it, guys. It's that simple. I'm done moisturizing my hair. If I was to go to bed right now, I would use a scarf and tie it. And I'm going to show you guys a trick because I love you and I want your hair to flourish. I wanted extra moisture and I was going to bed. I will put a plastic bag over my head. I'll put this plastic bag over my head. I don't have my satin scarf here, but if I did, I'm just going to use my satin scarf and tie my hair and go to bed. And while you're sleeping, your body's going to generate heat, so your hair is going to get extra moisturized. And when you wake up in the morning, you're going to see like perspiration, like sweat kind of thing on your shower cap. So your hair is like steamed a bit. I don't, steam is not the right word, but you get what I'm trying to say. So you sleeping and putting this shower cap on your head, your body's going to generate heat, and that will help your hair get extra moisturized. Or you can put a bonnet on your head like so, but I prefer a satin scarf because then the shower cap won't just move anyhow. So this is what I would do if I was going to bed for that extra moisture. Yeah, okay. Should I end my video like this with my bonnet? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, like just us building this community, getting to know one another. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know. I got you, okay? Anything you want me to film, if I can do it, I will definitely do it. Till next time, bye from Dubai. Did you hear that? Bye from Dubai. I'm so cool. Bye guys. Oh, let me show you the view because I'm good like that. Guys, can you see this? What? Let me give you a closer view. Wow.
Say bye from Dubai.
Bye from Dubai.